In this video, I will show you how to install MinGW W64 from archive on Windows. To install MinGW W64 from an archive on Windows, follow this step. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to download the archive. Visit the official MinGW W64 SourceForge page and download the appropriate version for your system. So they offer 34-bit or 64-bit version. Extract the archive. Use a tool like WinRAR or 7-zip to extract the downloaded archive to a directory such as cmingw. Set up environment variables. Open the Start menu and search for environment variables and select Edit the System Environment Variables. Under the System Properties Windows, click on the Environment Variables, and in the System Variables section, find and select the path variable and then click Edit. Add the path to the bin folder inside the extracted MinGW directory. Verify installation. Open command prompt and type gcc --version or g++ --version to check if MinGW W64 is installed correctly. And last but not the least, test the compiler. Create a simple C or C++ program, compile it using gcc or g++, and run the executable to ensure everything works. And that's basically how you can install MinGW W64 from an archive on Windows. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.